In this video, I'm sharing how to make buttercream pansies for cake decorating. Hi, I'm Lorelei. Welcome to Wedding Cakes for You cake tutorials. If you want to build your skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and memories, click the subscribe button and ring the bell. You'll need 3 piping bags filled with green, yellow, and purple buttercream, a 104, 103, a 352, and a 2 or 3 round. Start with the green and a number 104 tip to create a base for your flower. This part doesn't have to look good, just make 4 mounds or 4 petals. These will be mostly covered up. Use the yellow icing and a number 104 tip for the next part. The wide end is down and stays almost stationary as you squeeze the icing out and form a half circle like a fan. Now with the purple frosting and the number 104 tip, pipe quarter turns, little petals, with the wide end down. You can overlap them for a more realistic look like I did here. The next step is to paint purple lines coming out from the center using straight gel food coloring and a little paintbrush. Now pipe a second layer of slightly smaller purple petals using the number 103. Now with a small round tip, a number 2 or 3, pipe little yellow dots in the center. For the final touch, pipe some leaves using a 352. I added a little bit of glitter and then frosted the cake. If you want to create a rustic, earthy kind of look like I did, leave some rough edges at the top. And if you want to create some interest on the side, you can just use your spatula and go up and down while you turn the cake on the turntable. Toasted almonds are such a beautiful organic accent, and they also taste really good with cherry nut cake. Gold mixed with coconut extract looks amazing on the edges. Gives it a nice, elegant touch. The best part of this cake is on the inside. It's a cherry nut cake. Click the card in the video to go and get this amazing recipe. Thanks so much for subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting, and I'll see you in the next video.